let's unbox our Leica TS07.
Okay guys, you want to unbox Leica TS07, the almighty TS07. Okay, join me. Let's unbox it. Let's see what the content looks like. Wow, this is so magnificent.
Okay, these are the batteries.
Let me see. Okay, how many batteries?
There are 2 batteries. The other one is here.
Okay,
There are 2 batteries, right? These are the manuals. Then this is the machine itself, of course.
could you please lift it?
The almighty. See how big,
this
see
is
how
so
fine
beautiful.
it is.
It's actually
right?
beautiful.
It's Leica. If it's not Leica, you're not using the right.
I think it's a Swiss brand, right?
Switzerland, all
Swiss,
the way from Switzerland.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So Julius Berger, Ninja Cats, Ninja Dog.
Companies that produce this machine.
If you're a construction company, I'm talking of Cetraco,
Julius
Engine,
Berger,
Julius Berger, Ninja Dog, Dorman Long, practically all the construction companies across Nigeria. Wherever you are, delivery is not a problem.
Wow.
You send it via flight, you send it via road, anyhow you want it. And not just total stations, of course. We have level instruments, automatic levels, digital levels, laser levels, that's the rugby. We have even accessories for all of this. We have all of it. So come on, I did not mention GNSS. I mean, that's the king, right?
Okay.
Smart stations, please, we are doing top tech here, and it's all Leica. So that is top notch. Accuracy, precision. So when you think accuracy and you think precision, you think Leica.
Wow,
and when
I
you
love
think
that.
Leica in Nigeria, you think Mamtis Nigeria.
Hey, that is good.
Come by
I love
our
that.
store and get your own piece of preciseness.
I love
Thank
that.
you.